Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE RedMagic 6R and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all we have to open our browser, and I will open this default one which is installed on this device. And all we have to do in order to clear it is to simply tap on this 4 dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on More. As you can see right here, we've got the clear data option, so let's tap, and here we can remove the visiting history and cached pages which are defaultly marked, but we can also remove the location info, passwords and the cookies. So let me mark everything and tap on clear. And as you can see, we've got the information that the history has been cleared successfully. So basically that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your ZTE RedMagic 6R. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.